A lot of people, when they step into a speaking situation, have a message or something that they have to deliver. I have somebody this week that I know is, in fact, today is giving a training, and her issue was, well, how do I remember and how do I transition from my slides? And oh, I'm afraid I'm going to not be able to communicate in a way that keeps me on track. Maybe I'll get off track. And so my suggestion and my tip to her is to make sure that she is able to go slow. You don't have to go fast. I think the people who are listening, especially to something like a training or a presentation, want to take in the information, and you have to give them space to listen. So if you're just talking at, then it's somewhat a little, for a listener, maybe a little too much. So maybe it's something like just deliver your message, one message at a time, carefully, and not just keep blasting people. I think it's a different way of engaging and speaking with your audiences. So if you'd like more tips on how to engage and speak with your audiences in a comfortable way, find me at Doreen7steps.com.